How to get unlimited boot options on your USB. Only limited by your storage. Let's get straight into it. Go ahead and get into your browser and just type download Ventoy. There's also a direct link in the description. Just proceed, download latest version, and then just extract all. After extracting, just open the folder and open Ventoy to disk. Here's your USB. If you can't find it, refresh it. Here are your options. You can enable secure boot. If you get an error when trying to boot from Ventoy, make sure you disable secure boot. You saw in my config that I did enable secure boot support, but you have to implement the certificate inside the PC, and you have to do that for every PC. So that's why I don't bother. I just disable secure boot, do what I have to do, and then enable it again if I need to. If you're working on older systems, choose MBR. If you're like me and mostly work on newer systems, choose GPT. You can also create another partition at the end of the drive, so you can use the USB for something else too. So you're not limited to only have to boot from it. Oh my god, I hate this sound with all my heart. So now it's done, you can go ahead and close it up. Now you can plug the USB out, and I am going to switch to my Mac. You don't have to, because now is the easy part. I only use my Windows PC on things that my Mac can't do. So let's plug it in. So now let's go ahead and open up Ventoy. As you can see here, I have multiple ISOs. How do you get the ISOs to the USB and make sure they boot? You just take an ISO and just drag it into Ventoy. Let's do Clonezilla, Hiren's boot CD, and that's all you have to do. You just drag and drop. And now let's switch back to the Windows PC or any PC besides a Mac, because this guy doesn't have a boot menu. So now you just want to boot from the USB partition to USB. Just press enter, and now you're in Ventoy. And now let's just start Clonezilla. Let's start Clonezilla in normal mode. So it's fast, and you have Clonezilla. You can do whatever you like with Clonezilla now. Of course, you can also use Ventoy to install Windows or Linux or anything you want to do. For example, I made an NVMe enclosure. I put Ventoy on it. I put Macrium on it. If you don't know Macrium, that's backup software that I use. And also I created a partition at the end of the drive of 700 gigs. So I basically have an all-in-one USB boot device. I can do backups and also store it on the same drive and later restore it from the same drive. So you have it all on the same drive, and that's so cool. So thanks a lot for watching, and I really hope you liked this video. And if you have any new videos that you want to see from me, just put it down in the comments. See ya!